Alright guys, so here we are cleaning all the fat. Take out this part also. Discard that. Also take this part out. All this extra fat. And this also, you have to remove this. You have to remove all of them nasty stuff here. This get removed too. So I do it from down here. I go under the skin. Yep. And there you go. Chicken nice and clean. Alright guys, so here we go with some wash time. We're gonna do some, we're gonna cut up one onion, excuse me. One. I washed them already. I'm doing about 4 or 5 or 6, about 6 cloves of garlic. So I peel them, crush them, and wash them. So there goes my green season. I'm going to put my powder season now. So I'm going to apply some cayenne pepper. Generously. Some oxtail season. Yes, I said it, oxtail. Powder seasoning. We're going to go in with a little bit of adobo. Onion powder. Some Maggi all-purpose. That's what it looks like. Some chicken seasoning. We're gonna do some flavor enhancer. Some Lawry's garlic powder. And we're gonna do some See what that is? Yes, absolutely. Absolutely we are, if you may ask. So we are just gonna massage all of these seasoning into the chicken and let it sit. And let it sit and marinate. Marinate for at least an hour or 2 if you choose to, or you could cook it right away. You don't need to let your meat sit down for 3-4 hours before you cook it. I guarantee you cook it just the same. It sometimes tastes even better than when you sit down and let it marinate. Believe me. Okay? Alright, so as you see, chicken nice and seasoned up. Alright. So I'm going to get the pot on the fire. Stick around, stay tuned. I'll check back in. Alright, so let's add some oil to the pot. So we're going to let it heat up. So alright guys, let's go ahead and season up the flour. So the same seasoning them that you use inside of your season up your chicken, the same season you're going to use to season up your flour. This finish. Garlic powder, adobo, all-purpose, Maggi chicken seasoning, oxtail seasoning, flavor enhancer, Lawry's, onion powder, and some of the spice. Oh, all right. So we're going to combine all the seasoning and the flour together. We're going to now beat up the eggs. So I usually do 3 eggs. All right, guys. So just all right. So we're going to remove the egg eye from the egg. This is what I'm talking about, the white. There's the next one in there. A little bugger is right here. I'm gonna take him, don't worry yourself. You just remove that. Sometimes it's a little difficult to move. Some of the yolk may comes out as well, but who cares, right? As long as that fella is out of there. All right. So this big old white thing right there. All right. All right, guys. Gonna the excessive, put it in the pot, shake off the excessive flour, make sure your chicken is well and coated. Put it in the pot for frying. Alright guys, so we're gonna cover the chicken and let it steam and cook, alright? Alright guys, so check in. So we are gonna give the chicken its first turning. Alright. Alright guys, so we're going to put some scallion, some thyme, some garlic and a pepper in the pot. I'm making some pumpkin noodle, but I'm cheating today. Cheating. I didn't have any pumpkin, so we're using a pumpkin noodle instead. We're gonna add a coconut milk to it. Just gonna put in the pot. We're gonna do a little seasoning up. So we're doing some Lawry's, onion, flavor enhancer, adobo, some all-purpose Maggi seasoning. I already dropped a pepper in there, so we're not going to add any more pepper. So let's do a little stir. And we're going to bring the pot to boil. I did change my gloves, so don't worry yourself. Alright, so we're going to let the pot boil up and we're going to get back to it. Alright guys, so let's go in and remove these chicken before they burn up. Shake off the excessive oil. And just let I'm gonna give that other one another turn with it. Alright guys, so we're gonna go in and we're going to put the rice in the pot. We are going to stir it up. We're going to add some butter. Stir it up. Taste it to make sure all the flavors and everything. Nope, we need a little bit more spice. Alright, so let's put a little bit of my one drop in there. Guys, check back in. Let's see what the rice look like. Alright, so we're going to cover it up and let it continue to steam, okay?